Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make chorizo and eggs with Mexican salsa. Okay guys, so for this you need chorizo. This is the chorizo which has been store bought, and we removed it from the casing. We sauteed it nice, removed all the fat from it, and we're going to use this with our rojo salsa, which is on a Pinterest board. And this is, you can also make it with any other salsa. There is green salsa, then the other tomato salsa also. This is the rojo chili salsa, which we're going to use to give it that punch and kick. And then of course 4 eggs. So I'm going to start cracking the eggs and beat the eggs with nice salt and pepper to it. Okay, so now we got our eggs cracked. Just beat them real good, and this is, we're gonna make this thing with scramble the eggs with this salsa, which I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay, so for this, first we gotta cook our chorizo nice with little salsa. So to this, my pan is really hot, so I had little onions which I put, get some flavoring in it. Onions add a nice flavoring to anything. And then I'm gonna put my chorizo, which has been removed, devoid of all the fat and everything. So to this, just let it saute a little bit with the oil. Let this cook. Okay, now to this we're going to add the salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's it. Let it cook a little bit in this. And this will give a nice, already we're smelling the nice toastiness of the onion and the chorizo in it. And this is enough for 4 eggs, so this is just right now. Just let it simmer a little bit. You don't have to overcook or anything like that. It's just, if you want to reduce it, it's good, but this is good enough. And we're going to turn this off now. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, so today this is for breakfast, our chorizo and eggs. So add some oil. We're gonna cook the eggs and let it get really hot. And the pan has been sitting down here, and this is my eggs now. Just beat it up. I'm gonna add some salt to it. A little salt, good. Because remember, the chorizo already has salt, so you gotta beat it nice, vigorously. And now I'm gonna put it in this right here. Okay, so let it scramble a bit nicely, let it toast. Okay, so we want to spread it, we want to cook it nicely at the bottom, so we toast it. And cook it down. Like a frittata. So there you go. Now at the bottom will be nice and brown, so that's what you want. That consistency you want, okay? Let it cook well. Now if you want, you can take 2 eggs at a time. This we've taken 4, but okay, so now you can see it is nice and brown at the bottom and toasty. So you want to flip it. Well, let's get it more cooked because it's still raw. See, this is how we want it, nice and brown. So let it go now. See here. Now it's the time to flip it. Okay, now let it cook even at the bottom. Let it become nice and brown again at the bottom. So now's the time to crack it a little bit. Crack it, not too much. Okay, so now you browned it really well. There's no way where there is anything raw. This is where you gotta put your salsa in it and just stir fry kind of stuff in it, scramble it in it, okay, to get this nice wetness and this flavor. Okay, so now just gonna put this right here. Look at that. Oh my God, it's just a nice flavor to it. And add little water. That's it. Little water to not overcook it and make the salsa runny. There you are. Turn it around a little bit and I add my cilantro to this. That's it. It's ready. Okay, now I'm going to plate my chorizo and eggs with rojo salsa. This is my portion of it. Just put my nice cilantro garnish on it. Voila, this is ready. Hi guys, okay, so now we're gonna taste our scrambled eggs with Mexican salsa, which is the chorizo. You gotta try this thing. Really amazing. The eggs have been cooked well and you can get the taste of the chorizo sausage. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!